Hello children, I am Charen ma'am. Today's lesson from the theme book Transportation. Topic Construction Vehicles. We will learn about the vehicles that are used to construct buildings, roads, etc. Let's get started. The objective of this lesson is to name and identify construction vehicles and understand their purposes. Materials required: Theme Book Level 2 Transportation, pencil, eraser, color pencils or crayons. Procedure to be followed. 1. Watch the video along with your child and pronounce the names of the vehicles. 2. Pause the video in between and ask few simple questions. For example, why do we use dump trucks? What is a road roller used for? What is crane used for? This is a bulldozer. It is used for shallow digging and ditching, short-range transportation of materials, spreading soil dumped from trucks. It can also remove trees, stumps, and large rocks. This is a digger. A digger is a piece of heavy construction equipment that is used to dig in the ground or to move large objects. This is a cement mixture. It is a machine that mixes sand, gravel, and water using rotating drum to form concrete. This is a loader. A loader is a heavy machine used in construction to remove a site or load materials such as gravel, raw materials, rocks, sand, etc. This is a road roller. It is a compactor type engineering vehicle used to compact soil, gravel, concrete or asphalt in the construction of road and foundations. This is a dump truck, also known as dumper truck. It is used for taking dumps such as sand, gravel, or demolition waste for construction as well as coal. This is a crane. A crane is a type of machine generally equipped with a hoist rope, wire ropes, or chains and sheaves that can be used both to lift and lower materials and to move them horizontally. Thank you.